Okay, so we are going to take a moment to review the Lesson 7 questions that were in the Google Forms. Most of you who submitted them did a really good job. So let's just continue to be on the same page here. So here this says, out of 30 students surveyed, 17 have a dog. Based on these results, predict how many of the 300 students in the school have a dog. So we're following the same steps as we normally do. We are identifying the two units being compared. So this is dogs, students who have dogs, to the total number of students. We're going to go back into the question and find the ratio that they told us. They told us that 17 out of 30 students have a dog. And then we're going to go back into the question and find out what they're asking us about. It says, predict about how many of the 300 students in the school have a dog. So that 300 is a total number of students. So we're going to make sure that that goes in line with the total. So that 300 would go here. And so now what I'm looking for is how many out of 300 would have a dog. So if I take that ratio and I set it up using equivalent fractions, I'm going to ask myself, is there a way that I can take a 30 and turn it into a 300? This would be a good time if you don't know how to do that. You could use a calculator. But what I know is that 30 times 10 is 300. So in order to keep these equivalent, which really is proportional, then I have to multiply this by 10 as well. And so 17 times 10 is 170. And that is my final answer for question number 1. 170 students have a dog. All right, so hope that helps.